Hello everyone, let's see how electricity works. So this is a kind of simple setup or a kind of simple experiment I did where I rubbed a plastic pen with my hands and hairs and cloths so I could generate some electricity with the help of friction and heat, and that led to the release of electron. That is the fundamental theory. So when I placed this pen near the pieces of paper and the dust, this was able to attract those things near it. So what is happening here? This is the static electricity which got generated. But let's see what is the fundamental thing is happening here. Everything is made up of atoms, the basic unit. So let us see what is an atom. Here is a kind of demonstration of an atom. Here I am displaying a nucleus, the center of the atom, which has the protons and neutrons. Proton has a positive charge and neutron has neutral charge, because neutron is a combination of protons and electrons. So that is what the nucleus is. The nucleus is the center and it is very heavy compared to the electrons. Around this nucleus we have the electrons which are revolving in the electron cloud. They have a kind of round shells. These electrons, here I am displaying the electrons. These electrons have a negative charge and they revolve around the nucleus because the nucleus is constantly attracting these electrons towards the center. So the electrons which are closer to the nucleus are called bound electrons. They are very hard to release, but the electrons which are in the outer shell, they are easy to release. There the gravitation, the attraction to the center is less, so we can release these electrons, and the release of those electrons is the electricity. The flow of those electrons is the electricity. That's all happening here. So how do we release those electrons? So we have to convert some energy into electricity. So we have 6 forces or 6 kind of energies which we can convert to electricity. So when we kind of rub, heat, so here are the 6 things: heat, friction, light, magnetism, chemical reactions, and pressure. These things can release the electrons from materials, and that generates the electricity. What happened in the pen, in the case of pen, this was the thing happening here. So this is the absolute basic fundamental of the electricity. So that was it. Hope this was helpful. Thank you. Have a great day.